Once you've downloaded the app, PT Distinction, you'll be able to open it up on your phone like so. So you open it up, and then you put your email address and password in. Now for test purposes, I've put Holly in here. And then you sign into it. So when you've signed into the app, you've got a couple of things on here. The first thing we'll look at is the programs. So you press programs, it says Express 20 minutes and fat loss. If you go for Express, it'll bring the workouts up. Now if you look at the three buttons or the three dots on the right hand side, you click them just below the home button, and it'll bring up all these different workouts. There's bodyweight 1, 2, 3 all the way to 8 and conditioning all the way down. Go to the home button, and then you can also pick the fat loss workouts, which are the same process. You click the little button and then there's 8 workouts down there. Also on that, you've got the coaching app. So in that coaching app, you can put progress photos, results tracking on your sleep, and a food diary. But with the attachments tag, if you click that, you can book a one-to-one strategy session. You book it there, and it'll take you through to another site where you can book video consultations for mindset, nutrition, and workouts. So that is the app in its entirety. If you've got any